Hello, my name is Gabriela STAFIE and today I'm going to present to you the article called Digital Transformation and Skills Needed in the Area of Artificial Intelligence-Based Accounting by Gabriela STAFIE and Veronica GROSU. Abstract. Accounting, as it is now known, is the result of a long historical process marked by a series of transformations generated by technical progress. The accounting system has undergone a number of changes over time, and the digital age has led to the use of the traditional system as little as possible, bringing beneficial improvements to the accounting and financial industry. Although double-entry accounting has been used for centuries, the impact of the digital age requires a shift to triple-entry accounting based on blockchain technology. The penetration of technologies based on artificial intelligence in accounting, such as expert system, machine learning, automation of processes through robotics or blockchain, can add value to accounting activities by reducing errors and increasing the efficiency of accounting and financial processes. Introduction. With the rapid development of the economy and technology came the era of artificial intelligence, which exerted a great influence on all aspects of life. Lately, many researchers have focused on the impact of AI penetration in the economic field. In this context, the work, digital transformation, and the necessary skills in the field of artificial intelligence-based accounting is based on technological progress in general and the accelerated introduction of AI in accounting in particular. The research methodology consists of collecting data with a predominant focus on the challenges facing accounting today and moving from a traditional accounting based on double entry to a triangular accounting called the triple entry method. We also analyze the literature on the subject, digitization of accounting, focusing on key concepts, robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and their impact on the future of accounting, using the Web of Science and Scopus platforms as databases. Literature review. A trend that significantly influences the business world is the evolution of technology and familiarization with a changed work environment, driven by digitalization. As the use of the internet, mobile applications, and social networks increases, more users come online and service providers develop their services and resources and infrastructure to support them. In the digital age, everyday life is increasingly influenced by AI solutions. For example, mobile phones have become smarter by introducing applications that can understand speech, complete words while typing text, and provide tips in spoken language. Technological progress has led from the transition of the Watson computer to AlphaGo and DeepMind, and AI is improving thanks to deep learning algorithms and big data science. These state-of-the-art computers have the ability to learn on their own using the software writing software principle. By digitizing accounting in addition to the implementation of AI-based technologies, the activities of professional accountants are adapted to maximize the capabilities of digital technologies. In this context, organizations are re-evaluating their potential in relation to the digital knowledge society with knowledge management and gives high priority to the development of new products and services. Part of this transformation, known as the Industrial Revolution 4.0 or digital transformation, focuses on advanced digital solutions and technologies, including big data, computing, AI, blockchain, robots, cloud computing, as the use of virtual reality. AI-based cognitive technologies used in accounting. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the established name for the domain, but the term artificial intelligence is a source of much confusion since artificial intelligence can be interpreted as the opposite of real intelligence. For any phenomenon, we can distinguish between the real and the false in the situation where the false is not real. We can also distinguish the natural from the artificial, respectively means offered by nature and means created by man, artificial. It can be argued that intelligence is different. You cannot have false intelligence. Intelligence is defined by external behavior. In other words, any intelligent action proves that you are intelligent. Thus, artificial intelligence, if and when it will be realized, will be a real intelligence created artificially. Impact of artificial intelligence on accounting. Machine learning is a form of artificial intelligence that is built to recognize patterns and accurately predict a result. Currently, very little machine learning is applied to accounting software, but this will change in the coming years. As this technology becomes more advanced, software companies will integrate it into applications to highlight patterns and anomalies automatically, which will allow accountants to give more information to their customers in the fastest possible time. What does it look like exactly? I imagine that machine learning is applied to general accounting applications to analyze historical and pending transactions, predict future cash flow without spreadsheets, analyze sales trends, and suggest purchases that maintain ideal inventory levels. Impact of artificial intelligence on accounting. As we all know, the internet is the main source of information in all areas. At the current stage of progress, cloud-based AI technologies that have penetrated the accounting system have both advantages and disadvantages. Kovalenko et al. Believe that cloud accounting enjoys popularity because, in addition to the positive impact on the productivity and efficiency of the activity of the professional accountant, it offers the possibility of reducing the economic costs of the enterprise as a result of using virtual equipment. It is worth mentioning that the use of cloud technologies is beneficial for both enterprise types due to the variety of services provided when cloud accounting is used. The latest research argues that AI-based accounting system must be able to do more than solve problems that require computing power, memorization, and knowledge recovery, or just reasoning control. Should be able to see, speak, hear, understand, and reason and command similarly to people. The concept of RPI and its impact on accounting. Accounting is no longer just a human effort, but is increasingly supported by robots which have replaced human activity in the accounting and financial environment, especially in the record of transactions, analysis, and the interpretation of variations. The automation of employees' work obligations depends on their ability to perceive and analyze, and the automation of processes is dependent on robots and RPA technology respectively. Thus, RPA can be successfully introduced and used by any company or department, being considered software that imitates the activity of people in performing repetitive, structured, rule-based tasks. Due to the fact that many accounting-specific activities are repetitive and involve interacting with multiple systems, encompass high levels of transaction processing, and require timely decision-making, the potential for using RPA in this area is high. In other words, RPA facilitates the efficiency of the business process and contributes to the reduction of human error and costs. However, it is not an intelligent software since it cannot familiarize itself with the changes and cannot make complicated decisions. In a recent study reviewing the literature, Lacureziano et al. Believe that the RPA can favor the credibility and efficiency of the accounting profession in compliance with the required professional standards. Moreover, AI and RPI-based technologies are increasingly present both in the financial activity of large firms and the activity of firms providing accounting and audit services. With the inclusion of digital employees, respectively the automation of the accounting activity with the help of RPA, it is also necessary to redefine the internal controls. In the future, professional accountants will need, in addition to traditional knowledge of accounting, also knowledge of IT, AI, and RPA to add value to the accounting activity. Another study supports RPI's ability to automate accounting work and the fact that robotization has the effect of replacing a significant portion of the work of accountants. Blockchain on the border between the double entry and the triple entrance. Blockchain technology has the ability to substantiate the new economic and social systems. It also has the potential to influence the economic field by using the distributed ledger of computing properties in cryptocurrency trading and the use of smart contracts. Currently, smart contracts are in parallel with the existing physical contract, directing towards hybrid and concomitant contracting systems, respectively traditional and intelligent. Blockchain technology can be defined as a decentralized, transparent system and, at the same time, a democratic version of the Internet. In other words, being an application worthy of trust and based on the decentralized way of working, blockchain can be applied in a variety of fields of activity such as the energy sector, the fisheries and forestry sector, the mining industry, the activity of monitoring air pollution, but also within the scope of accounting, supply chain management, and operations associated with them. Gonzalez also argues that given that the transactions are recorded in the register of both parties, in the future the need for a third party, that is, the blockchain, will be imposed, thus generating a triple entry system that will be simplified and significantly automate the accounting system. Triangular accounting, cryptography, and blockchain technology are a form of objective reality, namely, they are two parts that shape a variant of past events with the help of an exportable system, individually verifiable and easier to manage by computers. The simple adoption by organizations of accounting by the triple method can provide two significant benefits. Facilitates the work of auditors as they will be able to verify much easier and faster the data contained in the financial statements. The annual financial statements and the information presented by them will be much more secure and reliable. In this way, blockchain technology will continue to advance, going through a process of improvement and technical change until it reaches maturity. Surely it will continue to connect with other technologies such as AI or cloud services, as well as promote research in those areas where it can generate greater benefits, among which accounting. Conclusions. When the concept of the modern world is mentioned, we tend to imagine a world in which technology is as essential as air, being present everywhere, helping and guiding people whenever this need arises. This is very close to materializing, and the key driver of it is the process that we call digital transformation. This process will involve a fundamental change in the way economic entities will operate on a daily basis. Moreover, it will also involve a cultural change that will enforce economic entities to challenge the traditional way of doing businesses. In this regard, this paper supports researchers, but also stakeholders in the future of accounting, sketching the general direction of research topics, thus disclosing the new emergencies and applications of in this field, most of them focused on blockchain technology. In general, existing studies on blockchain technology and its use in business, especially in the field of accounting, although limited, nevertheless offer prospects for the future. In the near future, blockchain technology will have the ability to integrate the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and other emerging technologies to deliver highly quality services to organizations. Thank you very much for your attention.